All right. Good morning. This is Demi Premium Academy. This morning we want to handle some mathematics problem, right? Now, this is this is geometry, and welcome to Demi Premium Secondary School. So, before I solve the question that we have here, our method of our handling of our learning is solution-based learning. So first of all, we understand the concept, we demonstrate, we ensure that the children demonstrate understanding, and then the next stage is solve problems and solve questions. So in the process of solving why questions are questions from the various mathematics textbooks, we will come across a unique problem that was difficult to handle. So we have to make a video on how that difficult problem is to be solved. So here is the problem. Here is the question. We have the question. We have AD is a diameter of this circle. The circle is ABCD. And from indication here, triangle ABC, right? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because this line and this line are said to be equal. So AD is a diameter. So we were asked to find angle A and angle B. So first we'll start with angle A because angle A is quite easier. So angle angle ACD, which is also labeled as angle A, is equals to 90 degree. That one is very easy because um the reason is angles angles um in a semi circle, right? Angles in a semicircle. So there's another rule that says that the angle at the center is two times the angle at the point. Yeah, the angle at the center is 180 because it's on a straight line. So that means that A will be 180 divided by 2, right? So angles that's why a rule that anytime a diameter, right, a diameter makes an angle to the point is always 90 degree. So that being settled, the we are to find angle B. In fact, this finding of angle B was a little bit difficult because uh, oh, so angle in a segment. Sorry, this is angle in a segment, right? So this finding of angle B was a little bit difficult because I wasn't expecting that rule to come in here because under the topic where this geometry come in is angle of it involves solving angles in a segment. So that is why when you are solving circle geometry questions, you need to think around the box, go through all the rules that apply, right? So first, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay. So now you see that this is a quadrilateral. Yeah. Okay, let me use red. You see this point here, this point here, and this point here is a quadrilateral. And we all know that a quadrilateral, the opposite side of quadrilateral, the sum of opposite sides of quadrilateral is equals to um is equals to 80. So what that means is that um angle B, oh sorry, I don't want to use that one. What that means is that let me use blue. What that means is that angle B angle B, which is 150, right? Plus this small angle that we are looking for will give us 180 because the rule says that sum of sum of opposite angles in in a cyclic quadrilateral sorry, quadrilateral is equals to 180. So what that means is that when you sum all the angles, for example, that means that this angle and this angle, when they add them together, they are going to give you 180. So going by that, we're going to have 150 plus B, which is what we are looking for, is equals to 180. So B is equals to 180 minus 150. That will give us 30. So B is 30 degree, while A was automatically gotten by applying this rule of angle in a segment. Or you can also use angle at a point in a circle is always angle at the center is always 2 times angle on a point, since we have angle on a straight line. So anytime a diameter which is 180 degree angle on a straight line forms an angle to a point, that angle here must be what, 90 degree. So that is the most we can take. Any questions or feedback, you can always drop it on the comment section and I'll get back to us. So thank you very much. Always feel free to, if you want to make any inquiry in Demi Premium Secondary School, our phone number is 070. Okay, let me get our phone number down here. Just a second. So let me drop our phone number here. I'm gonna put it in green. 07055056025. In case you want to reach us via mail, uh, we have demi.hakad at gmail.com. So more questions are going to come on your way. Thank you very much for joining us today. Drop a comment and feedback. We